Most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Question is find integration of root under 4 minus x square d. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? We will use integration of root under a square minus x square dx. This equal to what? X by 2 root under a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. So here we can write 4 minus x square. So we can write integration of 2 square minus x square dx. So this equal to what? X by 2 root under a square minus square, that is 4 minus x square plus a square by 2. So a square is what? 4. So we can write that is 4 by 2 and this is sine inverse x upon a is what? 2. Right? So that is a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. So a is what? 2. And this is plus c. So this 2 and 2 cancel. So we will get x by 2 root under 4 minus x square plus 2 sine inverse x by 2 plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of root under x square minus 9d. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Just use this formula, integration of root under x square minus a square dx equal to what? That is x by 2 root under x square minus a square and minus a square by 2 and log x plus root under x square minus a square plus c. So here you can find integration of x square minus 9 means 3 square dx. So this equal to what? X by 2 root under x square minus a square. So you can write direct x square minus 9 and then minus a square by 2. So a square is what? 9. So this is 9 by 2 and log x plus again x square minus square is what? X square minus 9 plus c. So we can write this x by 2 root under x square minus 9 and this is minus 9 by 2 and log x plus root under x square minus 9 plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of root under x square plus 25d. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Just use the formula integration of root under x square plus a square d. So integration of root under x square plus a square dx equal to what? That is x by 2 root under x square plus a square. So here x square and plus a square and here plus a square by 2 and then log x plus root under x square plus a square plus c. So here we have x square plus a square means what? Integration of root under x square plus 5 square dx. So a is what? 5. So correct answer is x by 2 root under x square plus a square, that is x square plus 25 plus a square by 2, that is 25 by 2 and this is what? Log. This is x plus root under x square plus a square. So this is x square plus 25 plus c. So this is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of root under 1 minus 4x square d. So we can solve this question in a simple way. We know the formula root under a square minus square formula. So here we can use that is integration equal to what? Root under 1 minus 4 square. So we can write 1 minus 2x square dx. And now just put t equal to what? 2x. So dt upon dx equal to what? 2. So dx equal to what? Dt by 2. So integration equal to root under 1 minus t square, and this equal to what? That is dt by 2. So simply we can write that is half integration of root under 1 minus t square dt. So now simple formula is what? Half root under a square minus a square. So this is half the constant, and then apply the formula integration of a square minus square is what? X by 2. So this is x by 2. So x is what here? T. So we will write what? T by 2. So this is t by 2 root under a square minus a square. So this is simply 1 minus t square. And here plus a square by 2, a is 1. So 1 by 2, a square by 2 sine inverse x. So x is what? T, and a is what? 1. And this is what? Plus c. So we can write this is t is what? 2x. So we can write 2x by 4 root under 1 minus t square. So 1 minus 4 square plus half, and this is what? Sine inverse x. T is what? 2x, and plus c, right? So here we can write this is t by 4, 2x by 4, and this half into half is what? 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4 sine inverse 2x plus c. So we can cancel this number. So this is what? X by 2 root under 1 minus 4 square, and plus 1 by 4, that is sine inverse 2x plus c. This is our correct answer.